Hi, you guys. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me and this is your first time here, my name is Liz Braden. I am a mother first and foremost. I am a salon owner of a sweet salon here in Pennsylvania that specializes in extensions. And so I work with women all the time. So I have my whole career. The best thing about working with women is I begin to understand the issues we're all having. And I say we all because it's a lot of time a collective, right? And to be able to have a tool that helps a woman to kind of be set free, right? It solves their problems. So that's what extensions do for a lot of my clients. And so I'm always searching for the next kind of best thing or something to make you healthier, happier, and all the things. So I wanted to come on today and talk to you guys about something called bioactive precision peptides. Now, if you don't know what they are, I'm going to give you a quick, simple explanation of what a bioactive precision peptide is. So, excuse me, a peptide is a bioactive peptide is derived from nature. It is a peptide that is basically a building block of like an amino acid that then is designed to go into your body, however it's ingested or taken in, and have a specific function, specific reaction with your at a cellular level with your body to tell it how to function correctly. So this is something that's like cutting edge and so cool. I've recently teamed up with this company um, that is absolutely incredible. They're all about making impact in people's lives, in people's finances, in their health, in their lives, like in general. So that was the first thing that drew me to the company. But the second thing that made this all like wow moment for me was that these products that they have, and right now we didn't even launch our company. The products that they have are 6 products, and I will tell you all they are bioactive precision peptide products. There's 4 peptide products, and then there's 2 support products, and they have all been proven to have killer results. So they have been basically used AI technology to kind of go through a humongous database of information to find peptides that have at a cellular level the same as our human bodies that they can go in and basically signal for our body to let's say burn visceral fat, or let's say curb your appetite, or let's say help your muscles recover, help your muscle retention, that help, let's see, hormonal imbalances or cortisol imbalance. So it's amazing what these peptides can do. So they basically use AI technology from this amazing company in Dublin, and they teamed up, went out to find these bioactive peptides that are already occurring in nature to figure out how to break them down, how to put them into an ingestible form to make them reasonably priced for regular people, to be able to make an impact in their longevity, their health, their energy, their life. I signed up for this company and I bought all 6 products. I have since taken all of them, and I have to be honest with you when I say I will be taking all of them. I there was not one that I did not like. Um, and then the results started like pouring in. It's like incredible results from so many people. But I just kind of want to stop there. I want to tell you guys about the bioactive precision peptide, what it is, basically how this company came to find them, and then put them into a form that your body can ingest where it will do the specific thing. So I'm going to tell you a broad spectrum of the products that we have right now. I'm going to tell you like a few facts about them, and then I'm just going to leave it at that because I'm going to do more videos explaining each product to you and why it works, how it works. And then I'm going to go on to continue to make videos about, things that are helping women, not just women, people, but things that are helping women feel more empowered, feel more energized, feel more youthful, feel more um, just feel better in their own skin, more focused, more all that. So, right now, the company has 6 products. We have our Fit product, which is for muscle retention and muscle recovery. Um, so, it's not just for your like muscles, like lifting weight, but it is for your muscles, like your heart is a muscle. So it helps that muscle to rejuvenate. It helps it to hold water. It helps it to recover. It's an absolutely amazing product. So many people have fantastic results, and I will be posting more about them every day. So just get ready for this. They have Lean. That this is like the power duo, right? Fit and Lean. So lean is basically like your natural, like let's just call it your natural Ozempic. Because what Ozempic actually is a peptide, but it's a lab created, science created peptide. So you can't actually ingest it because if it, as it was going into your body and assuming the process of being broken down, it would be completely broken down. And that is why you need to actually take the injection and put it right into your stomach. Not to mention all the side effects. So lean is your nature's Ozempic. It's going to curb your appetite, help you balance your hunger hormones, um, and it's going to help you to burn visceral fat, which is the fat that's surrounding our organs. And not doing any good for us. Let's just face it. So a lot of people that are using these both are just kind of seeing dropping weight, they're seeing less inflammation, they're seeing more flexibility, more energy in their body, they're seeing less soreness, yeah, quicker weight loss, and not just weight loss like in the way you think. It's mostly weight loss around their trunks. Um, and so it's a really incredible pair. The third product is one of the support products. It's called Hydrate. It's kind of like your, like to compare it to like liquid IV or something like that. I don't even know the names of other ones, but a lot of these hydration packets are filled with like table salts and not what you need to actually hydrate your body. So this is actually comes in a packet and you open it and you mix it with water. So right away you're actually drinking more water, which is a very important part of like weight loss, health in general, right? Because most of our body is made out of water. So there is, let me go back and then I'll continue on to the last three. There's Fit, Lean, and Hydrate as a support product. And then we kind of go the route of the like, so that's like body. And then we go the route of the mind, right? So we have Calm, which is just probably my favorite product. I actually did not think I was going to be saying this, but it is probably my absolute favorite product that we have. It is a pixie stick powder. You put it on your tongue, it melts in your mouth. I take it like 30 minutes before bed. It's helping me with my sleep. It's helping me with my stress level. As a woman, if you're in perimenopause at all or just like hormonally, like imbalance, this will help you with that. Or if you're a mom and you have this crazy stress level, this will also help you with your stress level. Therefore, helping aid in other things like weight loss and other things that happen automatically when your sleep is good, and when your hormones are balanced and when you have less cortisol in your system. So that is one of the most incredible peptide products that I believe we have, hands down. Everybody should try it. And then there is Focus, which is another peptide product. That one actually comes in a pill form. And it's exactly what it says it is. It's for your mind. Another thing that it does is actually blocks blue like blue light from your like electronics and all that from going into your body. And it actually helps in long term with vision, believe it or not. So very incredible products. There's ways that they're actually working. We could get into the science of them and we will in other videos, but I just wanted to start here because you got to start somewhere, right? And then our last product is also a support product, and it's called Energize. And this is like natural caffeine product. It goes in water. You mix it up. I actually loved taking Hydrate and Energize in the same cup of water, and then I would take my focus pill, and I would get like so much done. Energize is such a cool product. It's 100 milligrams of natural caffeine, and it is a low and slow release of caffeine. So it's not like you crash and burn after, and there's no sugar in it. There's no dyes in these products. The amount of time that they took to care for these products to make them is absolutely mind blowing. It's incredible. We have like a full list of like no, like never will be in our product list. So they're natural, and they work. If you are interested at all in these products, at all, and hearing more, I'm just basically an open book. My goal is always to help other women, women, men, whatever. But I'm just here to, help uplift people, help you live your best life, basically. And these products are where it's at. Trust me when I say, and I'll probably make a video about it another day, like, what did she buy? Oh, look at my sweater. It has all these papers on it. That's cool. Not embarrassing at all for my first video. Um, but, oh gosh, guys, what was I saying even? I don't remember. But the products are incredible. They're worth giving it a shot. I have bought something from every every stream of whatever you want to even call it, from Arbonne to Tony Horton's protein to like fat burning pills to all the things. I always seem to have like a side effect, or I always seem to like not find something that quite works. So this was like, for me, I need to share this with people. So that is the point of me making this video. Um, I also just want to start talking more, creating awareness around this. If you haven't heard of the word peptide, I urge you to go into your medicine cabinet, look at your skincare. I urge you to just like start scrolling social media, or even just Google it, because there are so many things. The peptide, I would say, is like the buzzword of 2025. So we're in January 2025. Not to mention, let me just kind of back it up here real quick, and like I will finish this um, thought. So the company is incredible. If anybody wants to become a part of it or wants to try their products, I want you to use the link below this video, or send me a comment or a message, wherever you're seeing this, and I will just help you to decide like what's best for you. And I would love to support you in your journey, for whatever it is: feeling better about yourself, fitting better into clothes, having more energy, gaining muscle, like just all of it. So I am here to be a support. I am an open book. I am not here to sell you on anything, but I think it's important to share an opportunity when you have it, that you know will help so many people. So in the first 80 days of this company, the founder of the company said in the first 80 days, they did more in sales than his last team at his other company did in 3 years. So you can imagine, one, the impact we've already had, and two, you can imagine the genuine, like, this works, right? So I just want to encourage you to don't be shy and like reach out. And I know that you'll have great results with it. I obviously can't promise anything, but again, it's just worth me shouting from the rooftops. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you learned a little bit about bioactive precision peptides, and about this amazing company. I'm going to put my link below. That's my direct affiliate link. I do get commission off of my sales. I appreciate if anybody does, click and order. But I really want you to let me know, right? So this is kind of my side note. I do want you to let me know if you do decide to invest your money into these products. We have amazing support, amazing tools that can help you on your journey to whatever it is that you're trying to fix. We have an incredible results group that people share honest and real testimonials. And we have like websites packed with so many good things. There's tons of nutritionists who've signed up for this company, who've become affiliates. People, with certifications and all this and that. So they are actually providing these amazing resources that they should probably be charging people for, but it's because it's a part of our support group. It's a part of our company. Um, it's yours for free, right? So when you do sign up, I encourage you to make sure you send me a message and let me know so that I can follow up with you. If you don't, I'll probably still be trying to follow up with you and see how you're doing. Um, so thanks for hanging in with me, guys, for this first video. Hopefully it gets a little bit better. No white fuzz on my sweater. And I'll be deep diving into each product. And again, I will be providing hopefully value to you guys. I'll be bringing people on this channel for interviews and just about like how to live your best, most vibrant life. So thanks again for watching. It's so nice to meet you. If this is your first time here, mine as well. Um, and I hope to connect with you soon. So subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Okay, bye.